Hey, what's up, Stellar XLM holder? So this time Stellar XLM completely and the lost, but there is a lot of chances so they will moving upward. And what's the price prediction? We completely, my friend, predicate this coin, and I hope my brother in upcoming time they will move upward and they will give you a very good profit. Let's see, holder. Please remember, my brothers, to upcoming time there is a lot of chances they will face down. Be ready from all loss now, my brother. This time, the last 24-hour chart is on the screen, and you can see the chain occur minus 0.39% fails down, and you can see, my friend, the price is 0.26 USD dollar. So there is a chance to the price will be increasing in upcoming time? No, my brother, there is a no chance to the price will be increasing, because my brother, at the same time absolutely all currencies very badly fails down, and this Stellar XLM, one of the, my friend, stable coins. So therefore, my brother, they cannot collaborate, my friend, this time companies. So let's see, my brother. I hope upcoming time if this coin is collaborate, my brother, with Amazon, with, my friend, a lot of this time, my friend, best companies. So I hope upcoming time the price will be increased, especially expert says this, my brother, because I never stop, my brother, my work. So I hope, my brother, absolutely, if I search it for you, so please, my brother, absolutely, this is not a financial video. I will just advise you. I search it, my friends, Twitter, Instagram, and my personally experience also, my friend, I share it in this video. So kindly, holder, be honestly, you just keep watch this video and like video, please. I'm so happy if you like it. So my brother, expert says about Stellar XLM to upcoming time there is a lot of chances to the price will be increasing, but if holder, I'll hold it now. So if you hold it, so I hope upcoming time the price will be moving upward now. Kindly, holder, in upcoming time there is a lot of chances the price will be increasing, but if you hold it, if you cannot take a serious, my friend, this, so I hope upcoming time you are in the loss now. Be careful, my brother, hold, and I hope they will give you a profit. See you next time. Allah Hafiz, take care.